Welcome to Knowledge for everyone. So here we are marking the drainage system for the teas. So how we do it, let me check you. Afar, tea straight karo or bus. Okay, so the tea is straight. Now that is the 30-degree angle, so let's see where it is going. So line is straight. इधर ये सेंटर से देखोगा ना. So we are checking center. So it is almost center. So if it's not, he will be moving tea upward or downward.
झंडी ਦੀ ਇਸ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੋਂ ਜਾ
Yeah, ठीक है. Okay. Okay. So there will be, this is our central line, which will be a solid line, and from here we will be taking offshoots. So there will be a YT which is 30-degree angle, and the solid pipe will come up to here somewhere, and then we have the filter pipe will start from onward on top of the tea. So later on I will draw the two laterals on the tea, one for the right, one for the left, and two laterals, one central line will be enough for this tea to be drained out. Any water that will be excess from excess irrigation water or rainwater, that will go through infiltration to the drainage cells, and from that subsurface drainage filter pipe will take it away, and it will come here, and then from this central line the water will flow back to the lake. So now we are marking the second tee. This is the third tee. This is the third tee. Okay, so we have centered the tee. That is for the third tee. So the drain pipe should go from the center of the tee, 50% on left, 50% on right. So now I am going to fourth tee, which is my ladies tee. So now you can see that we have a tee of connection here also. You must use YT because the flow direction must be in the downward way. So when the water will come from there, so it will be flowing in this direction. So when it will hit the tee, so it will divert the water towards the main. If you put a cross tree 90-degree, then the water will stuck in there. The water will hit the pipe in this direction if you put the 90-degree, and any debris or sand particles that will be accumulate in here. So if you want that your pipe should not clog, then you have to use the YTs, so that the flow direction will take any debris or sand particle to the main, and there from main it will go to the lake. So take care is required in there. This is our main, which is already been installed, and that will be connected to this area. So here you can see that we have centered the T first, and then we are now aligning the rope. Once that is done, then we have to for alignment, one thing should be taken into consideration, that is you have to the line must pass from the center of the T. So that is our T. That's what we call a T area of the golf course, and this is also a YT, but this is the fitting T, so don't be confused in that.
किधर लाई है तेरा दिमाग से ठीक है बार-बार अगर पीछे रख जाए तो क्यों नहीं रोकता है?
Okay, now we are on top of the T, and how we will put the laterals, let me tell you that also. So the T placement is not correct now because it's too upward, and the lateral between the center line and the lateral line, the space will be less. So we have to push back the T's. We will come down and we will put the T's again, and we will check the alignment. So let's see that the way we placed what it will be, but according to my experience it is not right. Let's see what's going on. So from the lateral, the center line should go 5 meters. How much it is? The 10 feet. Okay. So from center line we will go about 5 meters here somewhere. Okay. So now we will adjust our T according to that. So now we are back up, and now we are checking our alignment.
थोड़ा सा इधर में शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा, ये डस्ट कम रह जाता है ना पीछे वाले। ओके ठीक है 14.
Okay, 14 feet.
तो को ले लेंगे कोई बात नहीं।
So this T is complete here. Let me show you its view. 13 feet. Okay, that should be near close to 15. So this tee is done. So for this tee, this is the center line. Then we have a Y tee here, and the Y tee will go straight to the tee and will be passed from the center line, and then we have a left and right lateral. So this will be the solid line, the center one, and then the Y tee from here is the Y tee, from the Y tee up to there. That will be a blind pipe, solid, and then from on top of the surface we will use the filter pipe. So any water that will be excess, that will enter in the filter pipe and will be disposed of. So let's see how we are going for the next tee. So this is our third tee. We just recently completed our ladies tee, which is the fourth tee up the golf course. Now this is the third tee. So I mentioned everything about why we use the Y tees, why those angle are not sharp. So here is our final tee, which is the black tee. So we will use here 45-degree bend. Let me show you. The line will go straight on top of the tee and will be passing from the center. This line will not go further anymore. We will remove it. So this is the final tee, the black one, the very first one. And that will be the center line, and now we will put the left and right lateral. So that is the 45-degree bend, and after it the line will be straight going down, and from the bend the line will go up, and we will now provide the left and right lateral.
हो गया सर, थोड़ी है कर ये 18 सर। ये वैसे सेंटर इधर से ही होगा। ठीक है चलो। साढ़े 17 हो गया।
So all the teas are final now. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and like the videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Welcome to Knowledge for Everyone. So today we are finishing the green base work. So we have first installed the pipes, which were the filter pipes. Then we put the small crush, which is almost 5 mm. Let me show you that one. So this is 5 mm crush. We put that on top of it. There was a trench which was 10 inch deep, 10 inch width, and we put there a 4 inch pipe which was in filter. There was slots in it, so it will act like a filter. And then we put this crush on top of it so that we have porous media and the porosity is more, so that the water that will be in excess go to there. And now we are putting the layer which is 100 mm of the crush, but that is the bigger size crush, which is about 20 mm. So let me show you the sample. So this is the sample, and this is almost average size. So this is almost 20 mm diode set, which is about ½ inch. And now we put there like this bricks. The bricks is about 4 inch, so this is for the level. And we put some stakes also, where there is a stake with a black tape on at the bottom, so they are showing that where will be the crush level. So let me show you here somewhere. So this black tape is this area, the bottom of the black tape, that is 100 mm. So the 100 mm will be the crush layer. So you can see we have done almost 50% of the green. So this green here on left and right we have 5 laterals. One is the central line, and then we have the 4 inch layer, top layer, and on when it is finished, then we will start the sand layer, and we will try to complete it. And once we put the sand layer on top of it, then we will gross it. All the water that will be excess will go down there, that point, and from there we have a main chamber that is connected to the lake, just somewhere there. So thank you for watching. Please like the video, and if you want to know more about the construction works and maintenance works of golf course, landscape, etc., then please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.